ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka sengsan pertai bathamai ka Voice of the People's Party balapan banapaj ba ka khat khandai terik ubanai naiwing arazar arpuai kalabo Thong ban Pynïeng Kyrtong ha ki Hapoh tuli ki constituency ha ki election ka ban salong house nam arazar arpulai shaka yeng dorbar thau an jong ka jilla yakani la pentip do convener jong ka party uba Arden Miller basayo maj habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ka jingalang jong ka party ka balalong ha kenton uman ha lait kor habaya tho ya ka nongrim baka party kan yeng uba Arden uloong baka jingpen kha ya ka sengsan perthai kalong hadin bala yoi baki pajba nong song snong jong ka jilla kila yakendu jing e kat saba phai na ka daw ka jing bamla atrekam jong ki sarkar bat ki sengsan perthai ki bala rimbha ki bala bat yo la kam sanshar Hapoh ka jilla baki post nem.
We are very glad that we have been able to launch this party formally today, because as you are aware that on the 5th of October we had already announced that a group of concerned citizens of the state have decided to launch this new polka party, and today we have been able to make it, and that is what only I have to say. Definitely when we form a political party, our purpose is to capture political power. So you cannot capture political power without contesting election. So definitely we are preparing the ground to field candidates in 2023. Right now we cannot say that VPP will contest from all the 60 constituencies, but definitely we will be contesting. We will be trying to contest minimum 40 constituencies. When you look at the situation, you may think it that way if the situation is normal. But the situation as of today is not normal, where the people have experienced a lot of hardships. They have experienced, they have faced problems, and they have also seen the failure of this government, and also the failure of existing established political parties in the state. So there is a general opinion and feeling among the masses that they are fed up with the existing political parties, so they want to see a new political party which is fresh, clean, and that depends on the candidate we are going to set up. So the most important thing that we have to do is the selection of the candidates. It depends. If we can put up right candidate, educated candidate, a candidate with an integrity, we will definitely, I don't see any problem because of the situation. It is too premature for us to decide with whom we will work post-election. Nonetheless, no one is untouchable, but we prefer to strengthen our own party first, and we will see after the election. I think when we discuss about the formation of this party, we have spelled out very clearly our vision, the principle and ideology. So anyone who share and subscribe to the ideology, principle and belief of the party will be acceptable to us. There's a lot of issues I have just said. We are concentrating not on those issues affecting the community or the security of the indigenous people. We are also concentrating on issues affecting the economy of the state, the livelihood of the people. So definitely it will be included in the list of the party. They will remain to be issues dear to the party. We can ensure, provided we get the support of the people. If we don't get the support of the people, then how do we expect that we will be able to fulfill? Because to fulfill the aspiration or the issues of the party needs to have a people's support. We need to have numbers of MLAs in the assembly, because it all depends in the assembly and in the government. So we are looking forward for the support and cooperation from the people, to the people to give us a chance to lead the state. We prefer fresh, we prefer educated, we prefer people with integrity. That is the preference. To engage in dialogue, but our stand remains that the party should not, the state should not lose from these dialogues. You see, I think when it comes to the issue of ILP, we are very clear. We have been raising this issue, and personally I have been raising this issue when I was an MLA, and it remains an issue with us. We will definitely include this issue in the party agendas. I think the government has already deceived the people of the state and even the pressure groups, because I don't see that the resolution passed by the assembly is the right move when it comes to the implementation of ILP. I've been raising this, that this is very much misleading. If the state government really sincere about implementing ILP in the state, it could have done it without passing a resolution in the assembly. So passing the resolution in the assembly is only an attempt to shake the responsibility and shift the responsibility to the center, which is not the right way and proper way to do.